Hi, what's your name?
My name is Emma. And yours?
I'm Jack. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from London, but I live in Manchester to study. And you?
I'm from Birmingham. I study economics here in Manchester.
That's great. How long have you lived here?
For 2 years. I feel very comfortable.
How old are you?
I'm 21. And you?
I'm 22. Do you study something?
Yes, I study marketing and business strategies.
Interesting. I study foreign languages.
What is your daily routine like?
I usually wake up at 8, make tea, and study in the library in the morning. And you?
I wake up at 7, have coffee and toast for breakfast, then go to class until noon. After lunch, I study at home or go to the gym.
That's nice. I do yoga in the afternoon to relax.
What do you do in your free time?
I like reading novels, running in the park, and watching Spanish movies. And you?
I play football with my friends on Wednesdays, watch series in the afternoon, and sometimes cook for my flatmates.
Which series are you watching now?
I'm watching Money Heist. And you?
I watch Stranger Things. I love fantasy.
What is your favorite movie?
I love Pan's Labyrinth. And you?
I prefer Interstellar. I like science fiction.
I like it too, but sometimes I prefer romantic comedies.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I love making fish and chips. And you?
I prefer making scrambled eggs and bacon, but I also like making donuts.
Delicious. What is your favorite dessert?
Pudding. And yours?
I love custard.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, a lot. What is your favorite place in England?
I love the Cotswolds, it's beautiful. And you?
I adore Oxford, it's magical.
What is your favorite season?
Summer, because I can go to the beach, and you?
Autumn. I love the colors of the leaves and the cool air.
I like autumn too, but in winter I like to stay home with hot chocolate.
Do you have a part-time job?
Yes, I work in a cafe in the afternoons. And you?
I give private math lessons to high school students.
Do you like teaching?
Yes, a lot. And do you like working in the cafe?
Yes, I enjoy talking to customers and making coffee.
What are you doing this weekend?
I'm visiting my parents in London. And you?
I'm staying in Manchester. I'm going to the cinema with friends.
Which movie are you going to see?
Oppenheimer.
Interesting.
It was nice talking to you, Emma.
Yes, maybe we can have a coffee together tomorrow.
Sure. I'll text you on WhatsApp later.
Perfect, see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Hi, what's your name?
I'm Sophie. And you?
I'm Oliver. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Glasgow, but I live in Liverpool for work. And you?
I'm from Bristol, but I've studied here in Liverpool for 3 years.
How old are you?
I'm 27. And you?
I'm 25. What do you study?
I study architecture at the University of Liverpool. And do you work?
Yes, I'm a graphic designer at a communications agency.
What is your daily routine like?
I wake up at 7:30, have coffee with milk and toast for breakfast, then go to the office and come back around 6:30. And you?
I wake up at 8, make coffee, then have class until 1. In the afternoon I work on projects or draw in the library.
Do you like drawing?
Yes, especially historical buildings.
What do you do in your free time?
I like baking desserts and going to the cinema with friends. And you?
I play guitar and often go to indie music concerts.
That's cool. How long have you been playing?
Since I was 14.
What is your favorite movie?
I love La La Land, it always makes me happy. And you?
I prefer Inception. I love complex movies.
Yes, it's really interesting.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, especially sweets like lemon pie. And you?
I don't cook much, but I like making a Spanish omelette.
Delicious. What is your favorite dish?
Sunday roast. And yours?
Shepherd's pie.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, a lot. What is your favorite place in the UK?
I love Edinburgh, especially Old Town. And you?
I adore Cornwall. The coast is fantastic.
Yes, Cornwall is beautiful.
What is your favorite season?
Spring, I love when the parks bloom. And yours?
Winter. I love snow and Christmas.
I love Christmas too, but I can't stand the cold.
What are you doing this weekend?
On Saturday I'm going to the beach with friends. And you?
I'm visiting my grandparents in Bristol.
That's nice. Grandparents always cook a lot.
Yes, my grandma makes fantastic Spanish omelettes.
Do you play sports?
Yes, I go to the gym 3 times a week. And you?
I do Pilates 3 times a week.
It must be relaxing.
Yes, it helps me feel good.
It was nice talking to you, Oliver.
Maybe we could have lunch together one day.
Sure. We'll talk on WhatsApp.
Perfect, see you soon.
See you soon.